Imagine a battlefield where the world's most powerful military forces, the United States and Israel, stand ready with their unmatched arsenal. Advanced fighter jets slicing through the skies, Tomahawk cruise missiles worth millions each, Patriot systems, and the legendary Iron Dome, the most sophisticated air defense network on the planet. Yet, facing this technological giant is a weapon so cheap it costs less than a used car. And this humble little drone is slowly, relentlessly rewriting the entire equation of modern war. STS now say that Iran has developed a strategy not based on raw power, but on cleverness and economic pressure. The logic is brutally simple. If it costs millions of dollars in advanced missiles to stop a single incoming threat, but that threat itself costs only a few $1,000s, then the economics of war completely flip. At the heart of this new reality is Iran's mysterious weapon, the Shahed-136 Kamikaze drone. It's also called a suicide drone or loitering munition. At first glance, it looks deceptively ordinary. No sleek fighter jet silhouette, no terrifying missile shape. But over the past few years, this small drone has quietly transformed the very concept of modern warfare. People used to believe that the more expensive the weapon, the more powerful it was on the battlefield. The Shahed-136 has turned that old idea upside down. Consider the numbers. An American Tomahawk cruise missile costs several $1,000,000. Russia's Kh-101 is in the same league. Even Iran's own Fateh ballistic missiles run into the hundreds of thousands. But the Shahed-136 estimates put its production cost between $20,000 and $50,000, sometimes even lower in mass production. How does it work? It doesn't just fly straight in and strike. It loiters in the air for hours, searching for its target, then suddenly dives in a steep attack and explodes on impact, destroying itself in the process. Its engine makes a distinctive buzzing sound, like a scooter or lawnmower, which is why many call it the flying moped. That eerie noise alone can strike fear. Technical details: length about 3.5 meters, wingspan 2.5 meters, total weight around 200 kilograms. It carries a 30 to 50 kilograms high explosive warhead, some Russian versions up to 90 kilograms. Powered by a simple 50 horsepower two-stroke piston engine, similar to those in small motorcycles, it cruises at around 185 kilometers per hour with a range of up to 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers. Navigation relies on GPS combined with an inertial navigation system. Some versions can detect radar signals and even target air defense radars automatically. It launches from a truck-mounted rail using a small rocket booster to get airborne. Its real strength lies in numbers. Hundreds can be launched together in a swarm attack. They fly low to the ground, making them harder for radars to detect early. Here's the big problem for defenders. Destroying one Shahed-136 often requires a Tamir interceptor from the Iron Dome, around $50,000, or far more expensive Patriot missiles, up to millions per shot. When hundreds come at once, even the most advanced defenses get overwhelmed. Missile stocks run low while the attacker can produce and launch replacements quickly and cheaply. The Shahed-136 isn't just a drone. It's a symbol of the new reality in warfare. Victory now depends not only on superior firepower, but on intelligence, innovation, and economic sustainability. The age of expensive always wins is over. The drone swarm has changed everything. This script is now fully translated and adapted into natural, engaging English while keeping the original dramatic style, timing segments, and core narrative intact. It uses accurate, up-to-date details on the Shahed-136 for realism. If you want any adjustments, shorter or longer, more dramatic, or with voiceover notes, just let me know. Here's the big problem for defenders. Destroying one Shahed-136 often requires a Tamir interceptor from the Iron Dome, around $50,000, or far more expensive Patriot missiles, up to millions per shot. When hundreds come at once, even the most advanced defenses get overwhelmed. Missile stocks run low while the attacker can produce and launch replacements quickly and cheaply. The Shahed-136 isn't just a drone. It's a symbol of the new reality in warfare. Victory now depends not only on superior firepower, but on intelligence, innovation, and economic sustainability. The age of expensive always wins is over. The drone swarm has changed